Morning, everyone. It's 8:48, and this is your pre-opening comment for Monday the 9th, beginning of a new trading week, and this is video number 887. And if you appreciate the work, please hit that subscribe bell and hit the notifications. I'm putting out more of these, and I don't want you to miss them. Okay, so Asia is slightly up, even though China sucks. We have lots of COVID shutdowns worldwide. We have companies here, Amazon, Tesla, all saying that you're going to have to wear a mask to work. So things are not good in that area, and I've mentioned it repeatedly, and the market just doesn't seem to take it terribly much into consideration. Okay, so Norwegian Cruise Lines has a judge in Florida who said they can require vaccines for all people who are cruising. The stock is roughly unchanged. Saudi Aramco, Q2 numbers up 300% on the basis of higher crude prices. Tesla pushes the Cybertruck out to 2022. As I said, you need to have a mask to work in the new Gigafactory in Nevada. So that's workers and visitors. But the stock also happened to get an upgrade from hold to buy over at Jefferies and is currently trading 709, up about 10. And in what I personally consider one of the dirtiest deals on the face of the earth, that whiny billionaire, Tillman Fertitta, who raised a bunch of money for a SPAC that he controlled and then bought Golden Nugget Gaming, online gaming, from himself, now is selling the company to DraftKings for $1.58 billion. Golden Nugget, as I said, was Tillman Fertitta's, and here's what it's done. He raised the money, bought Golden Nugget from himself, had a rise, came back down. Today is trading $18.90, up 663 or 54%. Again, I don't understand how he even gets away with this kind of crap. AXSM, AXSM, has a delayed application for its depression drug. This one's kind of interesting because they reported that it had met its endpoints, and the stock, which had closed at 51.16, show you where we were, regular hours, 51.16, actually traded up on that news, and then they came out with the news that the application was going to have to be delayed. This is a depression drug, and this is a depressing stock. It traded from 51 and change up to 57, and then on the other news fell $30 to 27. Currently trading around 34.87. That's down 16.5 or 32%. So not great there. Berkshire Hathaway reported earnings over the weekend. The stock is up 2%. And Sanderson Farms, this is one of the bigger chicken producers. They are being sold to Cargill and Continental Grain. The stock had closed at 182.37. Last is 199. The price of the deal, 203. So pretty decent return there. The futures are down. They were down about 100 when I started this. They're now down 36 in the Dow, up about 14 in the NASDAQ, and down about 6.5 in the S&P. The overnight was just unbelievable. We have the oil down on the COVID fears. Now, this is pretty close to the low that we hit a couple of weeks ago at 65.01. Let's take a look. This is 65.01. It was the low for the week, and it turned and closed up strongly for the week that week on the high. Came back down, and this morning so far, actually last night, 65.15 is the low. It is down almost 4%. And this, again, COVID fears. It also took the gold down hard on, and this one doesn't really make a lot of sense to me. The gold fell over from Friday morning's high till last night's low, from 1835 to 1677, $160, basically in a trading day and a half, right down to these lows. Unfortunately for now, this red line, which is the 100-week moving average, was supportive down here. It continued to rise for the last 15 weeks, and so we're solidly through it. The low here was 1673, 1677, and today's low 1677.90. So we're going to have to see. It looks like it's trying. I mean, it is all the way back here to 1743.30, which is only down 20 after being down from 1673 down almost $100 to from 1773 to almost $100 to 1677. I mean, it's even more extreme if you look at it on the daily chart. So I'll give you a look at that. Friday morning, overnight last night, really dramatic. And everybody's talking about the fact that the reason for this is that the Fed is going to start tightening. However, the bonds are up. So bonds being up and the Fed tightening should be mutually exclusive. So we'll have to see where that goes. All right, everyone, the Dow now down about 80. Crude, as I said, is down almost 4%, 3.76%. One other thing I just want to mention, Bitcoin and Ethereum, solidly higher. They started higher last night, came back in, actually closed the gap from Friday's high, and are right back up on the top. We're approaching this little gap in here between the high of 46,620. Today's high so far, 46,180. So we're getting a little extended, but we did have this 8 or 9 days of consolidation before moving higher. It's up 6.5%. Ethereum doing basically the same thing, except that it broke out long before this, almost a week ago. And Ethereum is also up 6.7%. So solidly higher, higher highs, higher lows every day. I favor the Ethereum. All right, everyone, that's about it. Have a good day and be careful out there. Oh, by the way, as discussed on our Discord room over the weekend, 2 stocks that we're looking at to the long side are SOFI, SOFI, and Tupperware, TUP. So keep an eye on those. Have a good day. I'll be back later.